Morning student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Shonji sir. Hope you all are fine. This is my third video and today I am going to continue the first chapter, which is computer hardware and components. To understand the topic, all of you need to watch the full video. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the content of this first chapter. In my first video I already have discussed the first three topics, which are data and information, hardware and software, and working of a computer. And today I am going to discuss the topic which is external hardware. So move on to the topic. Here you can see the external hardware. Number A is keyboard and number 2 is mouse. In my previous video I already discussed about keyboard and mouse. I hope that all of you understood the topic and download the question answer PDF from YouTube and also write the question answer on your computer copy, which I have already provided to you. Okay, so move on to the third external device, which is light pen. Okay, light pen resembles ordinary pen and is used to indicate location on a computer screen. That means when we want to write something on your computer screen, we use light pen. And in the light pen there is a light sensitive detector on the tip of the light pen. The detector identifies the location of the pen on the screen. Okay, when the light pen touches the screen, it connected on to the video means visual display unit. Okay, there is a light sensitive detector on the top of the pen, and the detector identifies the location. The detector is used to identify the location of the pen on the screen where the light pen touches on the screen. Okay, this is how the light pen works on the to write something on a computer. And the uses of the light pen is draw images on a screen and instruct the computer to change the shape, size, position and color of the section of a screen. This is the uses of light pen. Next is barcode reader. A barcode is a pattern printed in lines of different thickness that can be seen on many products. Nowadays we can buy different types of items on from market, and there is a barcode reader. Okay, printed a pattern printed in lines of different thickness. Okay, this is called barcode, and the barcode reader is used to scan the barcode for a product, thereby eliminating chance of typing any errors. That means this is uh, we use barcode for without any error. And it also helps to make the transaction faster. You can see the image of barcode on your computer book. Okay, next is optical character recognition, that means OCR. OCR is a device that analyzes the scan character, recognize it and produce electronic or digital copy. That means if we want to convert a document into a PDF, we can usually capture the image of a book and then it is converted into the electronic files. Okay, that is the use of OCR. It is widely used to convert books and documents into electronic files. Okay, this is the main uses of OCR. Next is OMR. OMR is used widely for evaluating multiple choice questionnaire. Nowadays we can see the government examination, and there is a use a OMR sheet. The device has a high intensity light inside that, and it is directed in the form of a beam and the sheet of papers being fed through it. The beam scan the number and location of the pencil mark on the sheet of a paper. The data is the converted into signals of a computer. Okay, here is how the OMR sheet is work with OMR, okay, OMR device. Okay, next is MICR. Next is MICR, and MICR primarily used for verifying checks. That means MICR used for verifying checks. The recognition can identify and interpret the numbers and few special symbol printed with the magnetic ink on a check. The input is then stored or processing. It decreases the chance of errors and make transaction faster, automatic, and more secure. This is the use of magnetic MICR. Okay, ink character recognition. Next is smart card. Smart card is like our ATM card, same as like ATM card. Okay, a smart card is used to buy products or allow any special service. It is a multi-purpose card input device. This card have microchip that keeps user records update each time the card is used. The transaction are updated in the user bank account. Okay, here you can see the in your card a SIM card type symbol. Okay, this is the chip of every smart card. Okay, next is touch screen. The user enters the choice provided on the screen by just touching the screen. Nowadays we all of have a touch screen phone. The software determines the kind of the choice of the user entered. Many cookies offer self-help. Use the technology such as ATM, theaters and airport. Touchpads and gamepads are also example of similar input devices. Okay, the touchpad is usually found on laptop where it is used in place of mouse. Nowadays the laptop also that use the touchpad. The next is scanner. A scanner is an electronic device that scan images, printed and handwriting, text, documents or a particular object to convert them into digital file format. The common types of scanner are favorite scanner, handle scanner and sheet fed scanner. Okay, these are the types of scanner. We can easily scan any document by using scanner. Next is joystick. Joysticks were initially used to control the devices for aircraft. It is a movable sticks with buttons attached to base that helps control and record the movement into the software. Trackball in an advanced kind of joysticks. Joysticks are commonly used for playing video games. Nowadays we can easily found joysticks in PlayStation, and the different types of joysticks are trackball is an advanced kind of joystick. Okay, next is web camera. It can capture full movie video game. You can see the web camera in your laptop or externally included in the desktop. The images are digitized. Web camera or webcam is connected to the computer on USB port. Webcam allows user to record their video. Okay, we can use the webcam for a video call or video chat. Okay, it is placed on the computer above on the screen to capture the images. Laptop come with inbuilt webcam. You can see the inbuilt webcam in laptop. Okay, next comes to digital camera. Digital camera captures still images. The images are digitized, can be brought into a computer and stored. A digital camera is also used to read QR code. A QR code is an array or black and white square. It stores information about ink, website, phone number, SMS, text. Okay, you can see the uh, image of a QR code in your book. A QR code can store more information than a barcode. QR code are used in products, in visiting cards, for advertising. Nowadays we can easily pay by using QR codes. Okay, these are the uses of QR codes. Next is biometric device. Biometric device is very important. Biometric device measure human traits for authentication. This can include fingerprints, eye retina and iris, voice pattern, facial pattern and hand measurement for authentication. Nowadays we can everyone have an inbuilt fingerprint scanner on every mobile device. Okay, this is also the biometric device. For example, PCs nowadays, including a fingerprint scanner where you can place your finger index and the complete analyze the fingerprint to determine your identity. Biometric devices are used to various places for identify defined purpose, for making attendance in office, recognizing passenger in airport, accessing bank lockers, or unlocking a smartphone. Okay, these are the uses of biometric devices nowadays. Next is power gloves. Power gloves, data gloves, 3D trackers, and body suits are considered as modern day interface to sense any bend of human body. That means it is used for human sense of human body. And input gloves is a power gloves by metal design and input device. Okay. Uh, uh, a computer are also capable for recognize gesture as a input. A music artist can gesture for generating creative musical notation. Okay, this is the power gloves is used for 3D trackers. Body suits are considered of any interface to sense body bend in human body. This is mainly use of the power gloves. Okay, this is also a speech recognition is also another type of input of the computer. Many touch technologies such as use those stylish touch screen sense pressure, okay, are being used for to perform the select operation of on computer. This is the main things of power gloves. Okay, here is an info hub. You can see on your book, you can read it carefully. Okay, here is some inside question answer on your on the following topic. You can read the book carefully for better understanding the chapter, and also write all the question answer uh, on your computer copy. Okay, so no more today. I am ending the discussion here. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Okay, so as I told you, I would provide all the question answer as a PDF. Just you can easily download from YouTube. So no more today. uh, Goodbye, take care, and thank you.